Next on the seat is Fredrick Asare, our goalkeeper. Fred, a new season is just around the corner. First of all, how would you rate your performance for the club last season, and were you very happy about what you were able to achieve?
Okay. First of all, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk to you. To start with, I think that last year was a good year for me. It was a very great year for me because there is a saying that to whom much is given, much is expected. So when I came, there was an opportunity for me to also prove myself. And as you can see, I also did my best, but it's quite unfortunate that we were not able to win the league. But I think myself, I was really proud with my performance, just that I was not able to get enough clean sheet for myself.
When you joined, relatively, a lot of people didn't know who Fredrick Asare was. But for the impact that you made on the team and our performances, starting from that FA Cup game, did you enjoy your early days at Kotoko, and how was it for you?
Well, this one is one of the things that I always wanted to hide from the media or my own people, because life at Kotoko from the beginning wasn't easy. When I came, I quite remember that exactly, I think the third day or the fourth day, I met the physio and the team doctor to inform them that I can't continue because it was
Surubi and I didn't even to us.
Charlina, it pressure you too much.
Pressure says they know who you are top pressure. Play our bubble for a few days, you integrate you. You see that the pressure at all, so on the third.
Free ban on a maybe on say Kotoko big club, and it's one of the places they expect more from you. Until me bano name so me the dream be shame to me say the day I'm a bit and now they am a bad down. But to the look of things, 1, 2, 3 days, the way the training, the culture, the way the new players, and it wasn't easy for me.
Training drills and I demon the body into me absorb into that. Open can be a bubana now, and I say, culture, there's a Ghana here in our
training drills no so count because it's easy.
Into the end about him, what did you tell those people? Now decision, the end about him
because GC and in but Tanasi, I mean, back me, now make a show say, I indemnity contract no be
3 days at Kotoko.
Just 3 days.
Not pressure, not so much.
It was too much. It was too much pressure. It's a very big club, you know. Oh, but now one.
Have you afraid was now? Can I never better as a whole country moon? That be ever more Jinahaka. Say 3 days at Kotoko. We should training drills. Send a year new more at Kotoko. Now top pressure amount. Unya and company for terminating
contract.
And the fast argument. Penny no Casa is a would team names that have
the fast argument. We can goalkeeper trainer. Goalkeeper trainer.
Juba.
Yeah, and the team come say. This is what is happening to me. Until I'm so quiet, Ben, or bit now for so long. Don't know name a Casa Libri, say, club name one, any club name, but no, it's not the same. Different baby room. So it's up to me to psych myself. Don't know name a Casa in the team, no, only Mr. Jaden, Steve, and Mr. Ankuma, my name is Casa, and Najao, as a friend, and name Casa, say, club now, but I have to do my best. It's a me terminate team contract that is not the best for me, and a bit me put my career down. I came out from the for the competition.
So are you happy now, sir? One taking that decision, obviously, would you have regretted looking at where you've got to?
Obviously, I'm taking that decision. I think I would have regretted because it was not any money. It was an early days. Yeah, and I feel like I'm taking that decision. I didn't know what would have happened, but each year me putting myself up with the kind words and motivation, encouragement. You know, I think it's so bad for so. Any obi who Juma I'm taking that decision. I think I would have regretted.
Okay. You have a new manager now in Coach Prosper Nate Ogo. he was the last man to appoint the league, and Obano, there's a great deal of expectations because the narrative out there is that with him you can do well, and he has shown to be that man that can always win as the trophy. You've had a week of training sessions with the man as well as training with him at the national team. How different is he?
What I can say is that Prosper is one of the most experienced coaches in Ghana, and working with him in the national team and also seeing him here is very great. I mean, his training drills and everything is perfect. With the technical team, they are doing extremely good. With the 1 week that we've had, I think that if this work continues for a very long time, maybe 1 month with the preseason, we did say a league, and a league so you supporters because last year there was a little bit of low attendance because of our performances. But this year, I can assure them, I can promise them that with this new direction, we are going to win the league. So in their numbers. And I'm going to promise almost with the goalkeeping department, we are promising them so many clean sheets this year.
You got loads of fans who fell in love with you because of your exploits in posts. Before you joined, did you have that expectation that you were going to play a bigger part in the season for Kotoko, or it was like, hey, there's a big boy there, so I'm just going to be a deputy and grab the opportunity when it comes?
Okay. So actually, when I came, I only wanted to give my best to the club because there was already a number 1 goalkeeper, which we already know. So I just came out to give my best, and at training, I always prove to the coaches that I am one of the best. And when given the opportunity, I will do my best. So as I was coming, I never thought of being a number 1. I also never thought of being a deputy. I only came to do my work. So.
Looking back at your performance and what possibly the supporters will be expecting, this puts enormous pressure on you?
Okay, well, it's a new season and everyone knew that the last season we were not able to perform up to expectations. So obviously the supporters are really hungry for trophies. So I think that this season is going to be tough, but with a new coach and technical team, we're also going to do our best to win the trophies for the fans.
Okay. Fred, every footballer will be an idol, will be looking up to, or an inspiration, a mentor. In your case, when I feel say we're looking up to, and the special quality the one who admire the person so much that you want to.
Okay, since I'm a starting bubble, I really didn't have an idol. But growing up, I looked up to Razak Abalora.
Abalora?
Yes, Razak Abalora.
Yes.
Because I'm missing your Wafa, West African football. I saw some qualities. In modern goalkeeping, he exhibited all. He's one of the best.
Yes, Razak Abalora.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's look at your relationship with Danlad Ibrahim. Obviously, when it happens like this, Kotoko, the record of keeping in the history of Ghana football, one of the greatest of all goalkeepers, and Kotoko DNA. Whenever goalkeepers arrive, possibilities a percentage on the higher side. There comes Danlad Ibrahim. I feel also in the mainstay since joining Kotoko. And see, when you picked up, now you keep the games that Danlad was on the bench. Was there any toxic relationship, or what's your relationship like with him?
Oh, okay. When it comes to Danlad, you're my downfall. He's not just a football mate, but Danlad, you're my downfall since Eto Rising Stars games way back in 2014. Yes. And then I was for under 17. And then I was for under 20 for the All African Games, for the African Cup, for the Wafu tournaments. And so when I came, he's one of the people. training grounds, even in the house, he calls me to talk to me, and like in a way, and at the time now they start semi-born when he was not around. He even calls me from camp or national team to motivate me, to encourage me. Say maybe miss me chance now, but then who knows? Until back now, yeah, man, I feel say, and it didn't cause any harm because it's people were trying to do things that say a relationship, yeah, but. So I'm in it, and say we were cool, or cheer. I supported him. Whoever keeps the ball, supporting him, Mr. Mechia, he gives me the maximum support. So I think he's one of the greatest guys in the team.
Right, congratulations. You have a baby girl now. Now you're a father. Even though your marriage ceremony, they didn't invite you, but I knew you were going to do something special. Yeah. How is marriage life like, and what's the difference before you had a child and having the baby now? Has it changed your view about life, about yourself as a young guy? How is it like?
I think first of all, marriage is a good step to take. And is the one, but taking this bold step is very good. And Emma, you're very disciplined. Very disciplined. I mean, on and off the pitch, when you say after training, you need to check on your wife, you need to check on your baby. And, so there are some responsibilities also you have to take into. Marriage is in 1 or 2 ways. It's my case because no worry and things are going on, but no worry. I think Mama may have the honor. And
there's a cafe on that bar, no too big go up on things, but Zeno, bills will feel, yeah, your man, you want to do.
Mama may have the honor. Being a father, I think it's easy because even for you to have a full sleep, it's not easy. So when you're starting the night war, what that night the now war and but it's one of those things, and I really want to say that I am proud to be a married man and a father.
Okay.